1977 Ford Ranger XLT is what makes this truck coveted. It is indeed a short box. Power steering. It's got AC that's operable, by the way. And the condition of this truck is incredible. And that is because it has never seen Minnesota winters. This is a Washington truck. And if you get inside the door jambs here, look at that. That's something you don't see in Minnesota because of the winters we have here. But like I said, this has been a Washington truck, and you can see it has reaped the benefits of not having to deal with the winters that we have here in Minnesota. It's actually a 3-owner truck. The guy that currently owns it, his father purchased it from the original owner for his son who didn't like it. So it has been stored for a while, and you can see the condition of the truck is incredible. 77 short box, everybody wants one. Quick look at the back here. Nice original blue. Tires are in good shape. They're a little bit older. The date code would probably be on the inside of these, but as you can see, plenty of tread and they hold up nice. Any questions? Remember, give our sales associates a call, 507-386-1726, or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll find this truck and a host of others. Plenty of still photos as well. And remember, following the video here and me taking a quick run over this truck, stick around because Jason's going to take it for a drive and he'll bring you along as well. All right, let's spin around the front here. Everything, again, very, very clean truck. Let's get inside. Nice. Very nice. Our techs did note that the horn was inoperable. But other than that, my God, it is nice. They also did note that the brakes are 100% front and rear, so still in great shape. All right, let's get in here. See if we can give this truck a quick spin. Starts right up, and man, is it quiet. Sounds great. Bring it around the front here. I'm gonna pause this video quick. We're gonna pop the hood and give you a look underneath. There you have it. 302 with a Holley 2-barrel. See the AC compressor? That's operable, blows cold. Power steering. It's pretty original under here. You can note also it looks like a newer battery as well with the off switch. Looks really good. Again, any questions, give our sales associates a call at 507-386-1726 or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com where you'll see this video and a host of still photos as well. So there you have it, a 77 short box. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a spin and he's going to bring you along for the ride. Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1977 Ford Ranger pickup truck, when the Ranger was a package on a full-size truck. Before the little truck, you know, from the 80s and later. Left turn signal working great. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Very nice power steering. Literally very easy to drive in the steering. Oil pressure shows 3/4 of the way up. The fuel gauge shows 3/4 of the way up as well. The alternator's charging above halfway, and the temperature is about 1/4 of the way up. Speedometer also working right in the middle. Factory gauges working as they should. It's a beautiful thing. We have a digital radio in the dash. Very clear sound from that radio. There is some wind noise at the back of the driver's door. I blame that on a very heavy wind today in Minnesota. Not so much the truck, in my opinion. There is a nick right here in the windshield. Nice looking interior, nice headliner, seats, carpet, all in a blue shade going well with the rest of the truck. Horn works great. Excellent visibility in these trucks. One of my favorite styles from Ford, regardless of the headlight or grille style, is this body. We do have a sliding rear window. Brakes nice and smooth. The wipers work in this truck. Fairly quiet running. You hear a little bit of rumble, but it's nothing excessive. Consider it the way it might sound when you bought one new. Orders very easily and smoothly. Check out all the pictures of this 77 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.